Hey everyone, it's John from Hatch Duo, and today we have something a little bit different. My family and I have been hooked on K-pop Demon Hunters, an amazing show with amazing music. Highly recommend it if you haven't seen it already. And with Halloween right around the corner, we thought it'd be fun to recreate Rumi's sword from the show. We also want to give a big shout out to the cosplayer Lorenz Iwood, who made a super detailed tutorial for this build. We followed his guide, so if you're planning to make your own version of Rumi's sword, definitely check out his video. We'll leave the link down below. Anyways, here's a quick montage of how we did our own build. So here's just a little bit preview of us on our bamboo printer. So we bought some really cool gold and translucent blue purple filament to make this Rumi sword look amazing. I was a ghost, I was alone. Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a pet child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Could I see on stage? Special shout out to my team who is also helping me with this. Definitely could not have wired up the electronics without our engineer David, so thanks again David, Katie, and Jacob for all your help. Yeah, this was an amazing fun project, and definitely gonna put this to good use. You see me over there user testing it. And with that, we hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. We're really happy with how the sword came out and can't wait to show it off some more. What should we do with it? Should we display it in the office? What should we do? Anyways, thanks for joining me again. I'm John from Hatch Duo, and I'll see you all in the next one. Happy Halloween. Let's hatch awesome.